salam. I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making, can you guess, Moroccan chicken with couscous. It's gonna be so delicious. As you know, Moroccan food is one of the best, and today I'm gonna use their Ras el Hanout spice, which is gonna be homemade. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get started. Halal Chef presents. So we're going to start with Ras el Hanout, a famous Moroccan spice. First of all, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of ground ginger into there. Around a teaspoon of cumin. For a nice aroma, I'm using a cinnamon. Coriander. Just to let you know, guys, all of these spices have already been toasted. Turmeric is going to add a very nice color. Black pepper. Ground cardamom. Finally, a good pinch of salt. Now, if you haven't got some of these spices, don't worry about it. Just use what you can. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna give this a good mix using this fork here. Instead of using the black pepper, you can also use cayenne or red chili powder. There we go, our beautiful spice Ras el Hanout is ready. Amazing. So here's our chicken. What I did with the chicken was using my knife, I've scored it here. As you can see, 3 cuts here on the top, 3 on this side, 1 and 2 on the legs, just so our seasoning can easily absorb in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna season it. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is add in some of the finely chopped garlic into there. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the spice mix we made. Ras el Hanout, just everywhere on there. I'm just using 2 tablespoons and I'm just gonna leave some for our couscous later. Touch of oil in there. Or wash your hands if you haven't already and just give this a really nice rub. Oh, it smells fantastic. I've been to Morocco a few times, I really like the environment around there, and their cuisine is one of the best around the world, trust me. Fresh fish, fresh tagines. Moroccan food is the best in my view. Now it's best if you let it marinate for around a few hours, and overnight will be great, obviously. So it's been a few hours. I'm just gonna place my chicken onto this baking tray here. So the chicken goes in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright guys, let's make a simple couscous recipe. So turn up your heat, touch of oil into there. Let it get nice and hot. Alright, and then I'm just going to add a tablespoon of sultanas. Go here, some of the prunes. I'm just gonna add that in there. Toss that around for a few seconds. Throw in our couscous. Give it a quick mix. Add in the water. Just going to season it. Touch of pepper. Good pinch of salt. And finally a teaspoon of that Ras el Hanout we made earlier on. Give that a mix. Oh, already smells amazing. Now bring this to simmer, yeah? As you can see, it started to simmer now, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat here and I'm gonna let it cover for around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, let's check the couscous. Should be ready. What I like to do is I'm just gonna fluff it up using a fork here. That looks amazing. We're just gonna add some olives into there. A splash of tabasco into there. Just add that acidity in there. With the help of a spoon, just mix that around. Our beautiful couscous is done. Can I have a little taste? Amazing. Alright guys, our chicken is ready. Here we go. Look at that. How you doing? You alright? There we go. So let's plate this up. Get my couscous here. Look at that. Add that in there. All my couscous goes into there. Alright, so let's add our chicken onto there. Nice and easy in the middle. Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. Leftover juices just go on the top like so. That's the shine of this dish. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Looks amazing. I'm just gonna try some couscous first. Use your hands, it's better. Lots of flavor. Let's try this chicken. Just gonna get it from here. Look at that. Mwah. That's beautiful. So delicious. It has so much flavor, trust me. Now listen, I'm gonna save some for the others. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.